Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Amel Hamimy. I will present my study about information security awareness and compliance. Since security is an important issue in computers technology, networks and information to be applied, we have seen that it's important to study threats and how people react about that when any malwares or any suspicious programs attack their system networks or their personal information. So the problem studied in this research was the awareness to security threats, ignorance of security measures, and how users deal with the implemented security system. The general aim or objective for this research is to examine information security awareness and determine the compliance of the employees and students. The specific research objectives are three. Number one, determine employees and students' perceptions, awareness, attitude, and opinions of security. Number two, highlight security weakness that could lead to risk. Number three, provide programs to enhance security awareness strategy. The work plan for this research was made through two questionnaires, those made to study the two categories under test. Number one, the employees. Number two, the students. An online questionnaire was made in form of closed questions, and finally, the results are then analyzed using SPSS to accomplish this analysis. Number of 75 employees filled the questionnaire and 120 students. Total number of candidates were 195. The questionnaire sections, as general, were three sections. The first one are general questions. Number two was knowledge and terms, ask about knowledge and terms. And the third question was about their practice and behaviors toward specific actions. For testing the serious candidates, we've made like tricky questions. We made fake terms, and about two fake terms were added to that term list. And we made like repeated questions. It's the same question, but it was asked in two different expressions and in two different separated sections. After collecting, analysis, and discussing the data we have made after the analysis, for the general questions, for the employees, it was noted that companies needed to focus more on having security policies and security team. For the students are in the other field, expect technical one, need to have more courses about security. In the knowledge and terms section, simple terms and aspects are known for participants better than advanced one, and actually some participants answered that they know the fake terms. At the practice and behaviors employed, unfortunately some of them are like their practice and their behaviors are conflict with the security policies and the restrictions. And the students practice and behaviors go through ordinary interaction, but not all of them are secured one. The conclusion or the survey review come to like 4 points. One, participants' perceptions, awareness, attitudes, and opinions of security are different depending on their fields. That's to say, like more related to technical field, more aware about information security. Employees and organizations do not have security policy to be applied, hence like no security team or something like that to be followed. Number 3, student behaviors of ordinary practices when dealing with sensitive data or dealing with authentications are not so correct. Number 4, the good thing in both areas that employees and students are aware with many terms and main security concept as knowledge but not as practice. My recommendations for organizations that you should have security team and security policy. Uh, they should schedule training in security field for the employees, like made in regular evaluation for training output after they've made security courses to students, especially the one are not in the non-technical field. Schedule like learning program for student about information security, and hopefully all above should be under supervision of a special related organization to analyze the result of all that. And a little future work should be made, like for the next analysis, if anyone made that, could be made upon kids or teenagers after providing them special training program about information security field. General analysis also could be made to like general people who may have less knowledge about information security, and determine the knowledge level and then apply the required program for them. Number 3, analysis should be to target people who have been under cyber or security crime, and then put certain program that covers area and vulnerabilities to those leads to this attack. My presentation is over. I hope it was like a lightening talk for you, and it was a little bit useful for all of you. My pleasure to be participant in SDNUG 5th conference. All the best for you all, and thank you for the kind listening. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Amel Hamimy. I will present my study about information security awareness and compliance. Since security is an important issue in computers technology, networks and information to be applied, we have seen that it's important to study